Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Create Innovation, where innovation means imagination. Today we will try to explore one new project idea that is basically used for the school student. That is basically first standard, second standard, third standard and fourth standard student. There is no presence of any electronic circuit mechanism. Only there is the presence of the mechanism. Here we will try to explore the DIY kit of ATM machine that we have taken from Mr. Techbox Innovation Farm. So without wasting no more time, we'll just explore this project idea. Okay. If you want to buy this product, directly click on the Amazon and search www.mrtechbox.in and you will get the order and buy now. Without wasting no more time, let's just to explore this project. That is basically DIY ATM kit machine kit project. Now let's explore it.